Welcome back to KPsKINGDOM, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my easy leftover brisket curry. Yep, that's right, we're going to use some leftovers and we're going to make a really easy little dish out of this one. So the first thing you need to do is have some leftovers, and I've got some leftover of my yogurt marinated smoked brisket, and so if you want to go watch that video, I'll leave a link in the description below, and we'll end up with this beautiful little brisket here, and we're going to slice that up and serve that for one dish. We're going to have leftovers, so let's use some of this up. Now with the brisket, a byproduct was some beef tallow. I'm going to add some beef tallow into my fry pan here. I'm just going to use a wok. This films a little bit better, and I'm going to add in one onion that I've finally sliced. Now I'll be leaving a link, a full list of the ingredients at the end of this video if you need to double check. Now I've cooked those off until they've gone a little bit soft, and I've added in all my spices. So it's garam masala, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, cumin, coriander. I forgot to hit the record button. The heat at the moment is really knocking my MS around, believe it or not. So I've just fried off those spices for a couple of minutes or so, and I'm going to add in a nice big handful of frozen green beans. So I'm just going to let those sit for a little bit. If it looks a little bit dry, just add a little bit of water. That'll just help loosen, carry those spices through the green beans. Alright, so what wasn't on film, you did not miss much at all. We basically just added all of those in, and we're going to now add in a 400 gram can of crushed tomatoes. Alright, that can go straight in with everything else, and as you can see, I'm only cooking at a sort of medium heat here, about a 40% heat, and because everything's basically cooked, and yeah, the only thing that really wasn't cooked was the onion. Alright, one 400 gram can of chickpeas. I have rinsed and drained those. They can go straight in as well. This dish does not take very long at all. You can sort of set this thing a little bit early on and just let it simmer away for an hour or so. One 400 gram can of coconut cream. Right, just put the whole lot straight in, just like that. Okay, and that's going to give us a nice creamy type of curry. Alright, so just mix all of that through, just like I'm doing there, the good old stir as we say here, and just get all of those incorporated together. And what we need to do now is just get our brisket. This is my leftover brisket. It's probably close to half a kilo. Even though it was a small brisket, we have been able to manage making 3 complete meals or complete recipes out of that one small brisket. It was only around about 1.8 kilos. Right, so give all of that a little bit of a stir through like that, and try and get the sauce incorporated to all those slices of brisket. Okay, and I've lost count how many times I've said brisket so far. Alright, I'm going to pop a lid on and just let that simmer away. And look, that can sit for as long or little as you like. The longer you leave it, the more tender everything is going to be. Okay, and I'm going to simmer that off for about 40-45 minutes or so. Just nice, low and slow. Mrs. KP is steaming up some nice white rice. You can use basmati if you want, and as you can see, the meat has become nice and supple. The green beans have cooked through, the chickpeas have warmed through, and we're ready to serve up. Just serve that up with a little bit of rice, just like that. How easy was that to do? I told you it was an easy recipe in the title. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence and make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really easy, really quick, just like this one, using some leftovers. If you don't have brisket, you could use some beef. Anyway, we'll catch you next time. Bye.